Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and studying well at home. This is the English lecture of 31st March 2020. Today we are going to do a comprehension. Sad birds, happy birds. It is a very good story with a very strong message. I know you all will like it. Before starting our comprehension, let me tell you some key points to do comprehension. How to do a comprehension? Number 1. Read the paragraph loudly so that you can understand the story very well. Number 2. Underline or mark the important happenings of the passage to understand the story, and it will also help you to find the answers easily. Third point is to find out the meaning of difficult words from a dictionary, and it is very important to clear the meaning. Next point is reread the part which is confusing and try to clear it. So that read the confusing part again and again until you get the clear concept. The last point is to recap and summarize the whole passage. I hope these instructions will help you to do the comprehension easily. Let's start the reading of the passage. Here is the paragraph. Sad birds, happy birds. Ryan and Shiza wanted pets. Okay, there are two kids, Ryan and Shiza, and they want pets. They walked to a pet shop. Students, where they walked? They walked to a pet shop. They saw dogs, cats, and rabbits there. They liked them. They also saw 5 cages. How many cages they have seen? They saw 5 cages. There were parrots and beautiful white and grey pigeons in these small cages. They were not singing. They looked sad. Ryan and Shiza became sad also. Why they became sad? Because the birds were sad. They were not singing. They went back home sadly. Their grandfather asked, "What happened?" Students, who asked to them? Their grandfather. Their grandfather asked, "What happened?" They told their grandfather about the sad birds. He got very angry. They thought of a plan. They went to the pet shop. Grandfather bought all those sad birds. What is the meaning of bought? It means to purchase. It means that grandfather purchased all the birds. They came out of the shop and opened the doors of all the cages. The birds hopped out of the cage quickly. Hopped out means the birds came out. The birds hopped out of the cage quickly. They were so happy and singing in the free air. So I think that Ryan and Shiza will also be happy to see the happy birds. Now let's do the MCQs of the passage. Circle the correct answer. Ryan and Shiza wanted dash. Option A toys, B pets, option C sweets. Yes students, what Ryan and Shiza wanted? Yes, the correct answer is option B pets. Line number 2, they also saw dash cages. Option A 5, B 6, C 7. I hope so everybody has the correct answer. The correct answer is 5 cages. Number 3, the birds were dash in the cage. Happy, sleepy or sad? Happy could not be the correct answer because the birds were cannot be happy in the cage. So the correct answer is sad. The birds were sad in the cage. Number 4 line, birds were dash in the free air. Option A crying. The birds can cry in the free air. Option B singing. Option C dancing. What is the correct answer? Yes, option B is the correct answer. Birds were singing in the free air. Very good, students. All of you have done it very well. Let's go for the questions. Answer the questions. Question number 1. What was locked in the cages? Yes, students, please revise the story in your mind and tell me what was locked in the cages. Yes, parrots and pigeons were locked in the cages. Question number 2. Why the birds were sad? It's a very simple question. The birds were sad because they were locked in the cages. That's why they were sad. I hope so. All of you are understanding the questions and giving the answers very nicely. Question number 3. To whom did the kids tell the problem? Very good. It's the grandfather to whom the kids tell the problem. Question number 4. What did the grandfather did after he bought the birds? Yes, students, please revise the story. Yes, the grandfather bought all those sad birds and he opened the door of all the cages and set free the all birds. Question number 5. Find out and write any 10 past verbs from the passage. Now, the last question is your test. In this way, you will revise the past verbs also. And believe me, it's a very easy question. I know all of you can find the past verbs very easily and very quickly. Thank you so much. Best of luck for your comprehension. Allah Hafiz.